listen. What did you hear? The wipers make a harsh noise when working. Don't be deceived in this situation. When you go to a repair shop, they will ask you to replace your wiper blades. Even replace the wiper arm. Today I will teach you how to solve this problem without spending a penny. Find this little black dot. Hold it down and push it up. You can take off the wiper. Now comes the main event. We attached the wiper arm to the windshield. You will find this windshield and this wiper blade don't fit perfectly. It's deformed. Let's take a piece of paper and try it. You see, this side is normal. But you see it is tilted up on this side. This is the reason why the windshield wiper makes abnormal noise and cannot clean the glass. The solution is also very simple. All we need is a screwdriver. Adjust it like this. Okay, next. I got in the car to see if there was still any noise from the wiper blades. Turn on the wipers. Look, the noise disappeared. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.